How to troubleshoot a wireless printer connection. Troubleshoot a wireless connection if your computer is unable to detect your HP printer over Wi-Fi connection, or a printer offline message displays when trying to print. Restart your devices. Turn off the printer, wait 10 seconds, and then disconnect the printer power cord. Turn off the computer or device you're trying to print from. On your wireless router, disconnect the power cord, wait 10 seconds, and then reconnect it. Reconnect the printer power cord, and then turn on the printer. Turn on the computer, and then connect the printer to your wireless network. For printers with a touchscreen control panel, go to the Wireless or Networking menu, the Setup menus, and then touch Restore Network Defaults or Restore Network Settings. If prompted, confirm resetting the printer. With the default network settings restored, go to the Wireless Setup Wizard. Touch the name of your wireless network, enter the network password, and then touch Done. For printers with buttons only, connect using the WPS button on your router. Locate the WPS button on your router. On your printer, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons until the power light blinks. Release the buttons, and then wait until the wireless light blinks. On the router, press and hold the WPS button for 5 seconds, and the WPS connection process starts. Print a network configuration page to confirm the network status. For printers with a touchscreen or text display, print the page from the Wireless, Network Settings, or Setup menu. For printers with buttons only, press the Wireless and Information buttons at the same time, or press the Wireless and Start Copy Black buttons at the same time. Under General Information, a network status of Ready means you're connected. If the status is something different, use the information provided on the configuration page to assist you in resolving the issue. If the issue persists, go to support.hp.com/us-en/help/diagnostics for additional troubleshooting options.
In case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert